Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saniksha Adnani and I have created one more look using the Naughty Nude palette. I have a couple more looks on my YouTube channel using this palette. I'll link them down below. And without wasting any more time, let's get started with this look. I've already done my eyebrows. And now let's first start with shaving. So I recently got this shaver from Amazon and I love this one. I think this is like the best shaver I've used till now. I'm just removing all the extra hair on my chin. I usually get these because I have PCOS or PCOD or whatever it's called. So I usually get the extra hair on my chin. I am using the Philips a home IPL machine. I am seeing results with it, like my hair's become finer, but it's not completely gone. So that's why I'm not doing a review yet till I am not sure about it. And now I'm just using the same razor to remove all the small fine hair, and then from this side too. This razor is really a good quality one. I'll link it down below. Done. And it comes with the cover. Just gonna put the cover back and I'll store it. Now to prime my eyelid, I'm going in with my current favorite NARS primer. This is a tinted primer. I prefer taking the product on a flat brush so I can clean it right under the eyebrows. Just gonna take some and add on the lid, and I'll use the same flat brush to spread it. Just spreading it till the outer corner because I'll add the eyeshadow till there. To start with the eye look, I'm first gonna take the color Arouse. I'm placing this color right above my crease, a little above my crease because my eyelid is really small. So I'm just creating my own crease. So I'm just going right above the crease, and then when there's no color left on the brush, I'm just creating a tail and taking it towards the eyebrow. And now I am just blending the edges. Now that I've placed the color, there's barely any color left on the brush. I'm just blending out the edges just gently. I've taken one more layer of the color and I'm just adding it to darken it a bit more. Next I'm gonna take the color Rough. Just clean the brush and I'm taking the color on the same brush and I'm gently blending out the edges of the previous color. I've never used this color before and I think this is the most beautiful transition shade. Then on the same brush I'm taking the color Naughty. I'm gonna first add this color to my outer corner. I'm just placing the color, and when there is no color left on the brush, I'll start blending out the edges and I'll take it out and blend it towards the tail and take it towards my eyebrow. That was just the first layer, and now I've taken some more color on the brush and I'm repeating the whole thing. I'm first placing the color, and when there's no color left, I'll blend out the edges and even towards the tail to create that shape. Then I'm taking the same color Naughty and placing it towards my inner corner. This time I've taken a smaller brush, but I'll do the same thing. I'll place the color, and when there's no color left in the brush, I'm gently blending out the edges into the crease and then from the sides. I'm again taking the color Arouse and I'm just on a clean brush this time, and I'm blending out the edges of the dark brown color Naughty, just gently blending out the edges. Then I'm taking the color Desire on this MAC brush and I'm going to add this on the center. Whoa, what a beautiful color. I'm adding this just on the center of my eyelid. This is like my fourth layer now. The color is quite pigmented, but you'll have to build it in layers because it's shimmery, and I'm adding this only on the center portion of my eyelid. Now I'm taking the color Shameless and I'm adding this only on the center part of the red. I added around 3 layers. Then I'm taking the color Spicy and I'm just going to gently add this to my outer corner and my inner corner to deepen it up a bit more. Just gently adding it. And now when there's no color left on the brush, without adding any pressure, I'm just blending out the edges and taking it towards the tail. And now I'm adding this same color Spicy on my inner corner. Just cleaning out the brush and then blending out the edges. Before I move ahead with my face makeup, I'm first gonna clean out any fallout, and at the same time I'll create a nice crisp edge. I'll quickly do my face makeup off camera using a bunch of Huda Beauty products. That's the Huda Tantour, Huda powder in banana bread, Huda foundation in Macchiato 400G, the primer, face primer, the mattifying primer, and the concealer in 18 and granola. I'll be back soon. And I'm back. I'm gonna add the Huda Beauty eyeliner on my waterline. I'm adding this on the waterline all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm gonna make it bleed a bit. So I'm adding it to the lower lash line too, and I'm adding it to my top waterline too. I've taken the color Spicy on a pencil brush, and I'm smoking out the edges of the eyeliner, which I added on the lower lash line. Next, I'm gonna add the FC Beauty eyeliner. This one is super smudgeable. I'm just gonna add the eyeliner on my top lid, just like, it doesn't need to be defined because I'm gonna smudge it out. And then I'm taking the same brush without any more color, and I'm just smudging it, just going back and forth and smudging it. I don't like to add eyeliner, and the smudged eyeliner is what I love to do. Love this. Next, I'm taking the shade Naughty on a pencil brush, and I'm smoking out the lower lash line a bit more, just gently going back and forth. Then I'm taking the color Arouse and smoking this lower lash line a bit more, just going back and forth. Next, I'm adding the Huda Beauty mascara. I'm adding the curl side first, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner on my lower lash line too, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. And then I'm adding the volume side all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner, and on the lower lash line too, all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. Next, I'm gonna add the Sheglam lashes. These are one of the best Sheglam lashes I own. It says 3D18 over here, but I'll still link it down below. Next, I'm gonna add the Huda Beauty Spice lip liner. This is like a dark brown lip liner. I'm just gonna line it. So I created a thick line with the lip liner, and I'm adding the Fenty Beauty lipstick in Unbutton. And that's the final look. I created one more look using the Naughty Nude palette. I don't think I can get over using this palette. I love this palette so much. You can create so many versatile looks with this. And I hope you guys are taking part in my ongoing giveaway where you could win this palette. Head to my Instagram channel to find out more. And thank you so much for watching my tutorial. I will see you guys soon. Bye for now.